In this video, I will show you how you can divide multiple plots equally from any big plot, whether straight vertical or straight horizontal. For any irregular plot you have and you want to divide equally in multiple plots in AutoCAD, we will do very smoothly, okay? Let this EPL, type EPL command, okay, which is equal plot. Now select the close boundary P line. Now it asks you enter text scale. Let this 1.75. Enter number of equal parts, okay? Number of equal parts, how much you want for your plot. I will keep 4. Now it asks you horizontal or vertical. So we will take vertical, right? Just wait for a while. Now you are getting number of 4 equal plot with text plot 1, 2, 3, 4 and area also in square meter, okay? Equally. And click here to get your complete calculated table. Plot divide report, plot number, area in square meter and total also. Not limited to this. I want to divide horizontally, okay? Type here EPL, select your P line, input text scale, input equal division 4. Now choose horizontal for H or for V, okay? Just wait for a while. Now click here to get your complete table. So you are getting equal plots, serial number, area in square meter and total also. This is the powerful way to equally divide your plot. In just one time, you will get complete area in square meter and you will get complete plot, separate P line, different color. If you want to download this Lisp, just check out the link below.